It's finally here. The moment I've been waiting on. When you know it requires extra protection, even though it's blur. There we go. What? Finally! I ordered me a GTR push start button. This is gonna be awesome. It's gonna look really good. Ready for the install. This is still gonna look way better. Maybe dry and ashy right now because all the wash your hands I'm doing. But yeah, I'm excited to put this right on. It's gonna look a lot better. Should be a very simple install. So I guess I'm gonna untwist this, get it all off, and go from there. So got all this pretty much taken off, and just gotta reach back there, pull that right out, and put the new one in. Let's get to it. So I realized that I made the work a little bit more harder for myself, which all I could have done is just prop them right out from the groove and the groove right here and start from there. But yeah, I did it the long way, which I'm going to put all this back together, do it that way, and then push it right back in. But the reason why I had a hard time taking this off is because I guess the previous owner had, but I know this happens to cars, had like I guess a fragrant like Glade or something like that. When those things leak, they actually burn your interior. As you can see all around there, that's what it is, a burn. Yeah, that typically happens. Even right here, you can tell right here is all like messed up. But that's what happens when you buy that glaze stuff or the little stuff that you put here with the liquid in there. Once it leaks, it will burn your interior. And I read up online, about that. It's ridiculous that they still sell it, but at the same time, everybody please just be cautious about that. Again, this is the reason why it actually kind of got it in there, as you can see right in there. That's what made it harder to get out. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this install. Alright, so I'll put everything back together. Just left this out, and I'm going to put this button right on. Solid. Looks really, really good. Of course, you're gonna make sure it works. I am so loving this. But it feels really good. So yeah, perfect. It works. So if anybody has questions about this install, it's very simple, not hard, and yeah, hope y'all enjoy that.